Need to give your manager payroll access but don't want them seeing everything? If configuring user permissions in ADP seems complicated, you're not alone. Today, we're setting up employee access levels and security roles in ADP. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. ADP allows you to create different user roles with specific permissions, so people only have access to the information they need for their job. Step 1. Navigate to User Management. Go to Company Settings, Security, or User Management. Here, you can see all current users and add new ones. Step 2. Assign a role or customize permissions. You can often choose from predefined roles like Payroll Manager, Time and Attendance Approver, or View Only. Alternatively, you can create a custom role and select exactly which features, reports, and employee data each user can see and edit. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: follow the principle of least privilege. Only grant the absolute minimum level of access necessary for a person to do their job. For example, a manager who approves timecards doesn't need to see company-wide payroll reports. This minimizes security risks and protects sensitive employee data. So, just like that, you can delegate tasks securely. Proper access control goes a long way in both operational efficiency and data security. Now I'm curious, what's the most common access level you grant besides full administrator? Report viewer, time approver, or something else? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.